CapCut template not showing on your TikTok, this video is gonna help you. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is very easy, just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find the TikTok app. When you find it, you have to click on it and then go into the force stop option, click on it and then go to the notifications. Make sure to enable every notifications here, click on the permission and then make sure also to enable all the permissions and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache and then go to the power usage details. This is the most important step. Go to the power consumption alert and make sure that it's enabled like this, and then you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure to update it. After you update your TikTok, the problem must be fixed. That's it for today's short tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe.